So after Arduino introduction, we will learn about Arduino pins. So we categorize Arduino in a four section is a digital input output, analog input and in power pins. So in an upper layer of Arduino, we have a 14 digital pins from 0 to 13 and we have a two external pins for transmitter and receiver is 0 and 1. So this 0 and 1 is the transmitter and receiver leads, and in a bottom we have a 6 pins of analog input, and in analog we only have a input, not a output, and in digital we both have input and output. And in a next of analog pin we have some power pins to provide the 5-volt ground, V in and 3.3 volt. So we have a various type of the power pins. So by the V in we can take V input voltage whatever we will give by the power socket from 5 to 12 volt, and in a next of power socket we have a USB TTL port by which we can upload the program in a Arduino Uno by the computer. So this is the our programming port. Also we can also say is the programming port, and in a between the USB socket and power socket we have a voltage stabilizer, is a 5-volt voltage stabilizer, and it provides to 5 voltage accurate 5 voltage to the Arduino board. And in the middle one of the Arduino we have a microcontroller is 8 mega 328P controller, which will be which is the brain of the Arduino. So this is the Arduino pins introduction, and in a corner we have a reset button to reset our program in a Arduino in a runtime. So you can reset our program in a runtime by click on reset button. So this is the Arduino introduction. In an next session we will learn about digital pins, analog pins, power pins, and how we can use digital input and output.